Here are 3 things you could do right now with $100. My name is Dax, and I am a multimillionaire. I have worked as financial advisor and portfolio manager for 20 years, and now working with a team here at Biz Boom Secrets where we create and share financial content for free so that you don't have to pay for it. Number 1, you can spend it. $100 is not a fortune, but it's enough to make you feel like a big shot for a day. You can treat yourself or your girlfriend to dinner at a fancy restaurant, buy the latest gadget, or splurge on a new pair of socks. So congratulations, you just purchased exactly $100 worth of goods. Number 2, you could save it in a traditional saving account. Saving, the responsible choice. You can stash it in a savings account and earn, wait for it, approximately 0.00001% interest annually, while having it lose about 2 to 3% of its purchasing power per year. You will wake up in 20 years and have it worth only about $70. But seriously, saving is a great way to build discipline and have a safety net. Just don't expect to build your wealth that way. Number 3, you could invest it into a low-cost index fund. You're not throwing it into the stock market casino or some crypto shitty scam. An index fund is a diversified, low-risk way to let your money grow. With an average annual return of 7 to 10%, your $100 could compound into $400 in about 20 years. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow. So, what's the verdict? Would you spend it, save it, or invest it? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.